Welcome to our lesson on the 5 values of Scrum. In this session, we'll explore how these values guide teams towards successful project management. The first value is commitment. It means team members dedicate themselves to the team's goals, fostering accountability and focus on achieving objectives. The second value is courage. It empowers teams to take risks and face challenges, fostering innovation and growth in their projects. The third value is focus. It helps teams prioritize their work, ensuring they concentrate on important tasks for effective time management. The fourth value is openness. It fosters transparent communication and sharing of information, which builds trust and encourages collaboration. The fifth value is respect. It emphasizes valuing each team member's contributions, which creates a positive environment and strengthens relationships. This quote from the Scrum Guide encapsulates the essence of Scrum values. They are vital for effective teamwork and project success. To implement these values, conduct daily stand-ups and retrospectives. These practices reinforce commitment, openness, respect, and courage among team members. Adopting Scrum values can present challenges, such as resistance to change and lack of understanding. Addressing these issues is crucial for successful implementation. Embracing Scrum values leads to enhanced collaboration and increased productivity. When teams work together effectively, project outcomes improve significantly. Here's a visual representation of the 5 values of Scrum. This graphic illustrates how these values interconnect and support each other in Agile project management. Let's look at real-world examples. Company has successfully implemented Scrum values, leading to improved team dynamics, while Company B overcame challenges by embracing these values, resulting in increased productivity. In summary, commitment drives accountability and focus, while courage enables teams to face challenges bravely. These values are essential for successful Scrum implementation. This quote highlights the importance of embracing Scrum values. They are key to unlocking your team's full potential. Thank you for joining this lesson on the 5 values of Scrum. We hope you gained valuable insights to enhance your Agile project management skills. As we move forward, continue exploring Agile methodologies. In the next lesson, we will delve deeper into Scrum practices and how to implement them effectively.